Today, we will compare to home beauty devices, new Cavitation 2.5 and new Cavitation 2.0, to see the difference between them and which one is more suitable for you. First of all, the Cavitation 2.5 with MS-11R9 has stronger power, providing more efficient fat decomposition and body shaping effects compared to the MS-11R1 Cavitation 2.0. The Cavitation 2.5 handle is ergonomically designed, more comfortable to hold, less prone to fatigue during operation, and especially suitable for long-term use. The Cavitation 2.0 handle is relatively heavy, which may cause discomfort during use. The Cavitation 2.5 makes less noise when working, reduces unnecessary tinnitus, and improves the user experience, while the Cavitation 2.0 makes slightly louder noise. In general, the new Cavitation 2.5 has stronger power, a more comfortable handling design, and lower noise, making it very suitable for home beauty. If you also want to experience more efficient and comfortable body shaping effects, contact us now and enjoy factory direct sales discounts.